Welcome, traders. Let's embark on a journey into the fascinating world of candlestick charting. Today, we'll uncover the secrets hidden within these unique visual tools. Ever wondered how to decipher market sentiment at a glance? Candlesticks, a powerful technique developed by an 18th-century Japanese rice trader named Munehi Sahoma, offer a unique window into price action. Each candlestick tells a story. It encapsulates four key price points: the opening, closing, highest, and lowest price within a specific time frame. By analyzing these patterns, we can gain valuable insights into the battle between buyers and sellers, and potentially anticipate future price movements. Imagine a candlestick as a miniature movie of price action. A green candlestick, often called a bullish candle, reveals a period where the price closed higher than it opened, suggesting that buyers were in control. Conversely, a red candlestick, or a bearish candle, indicates that sellers dominated, with the price closing lower than its opening point. Let's bring this to life with an example. On September 24, 2020, Bitcoin displayed a strong bullish candle. It opened at $10,248, surged to a high of $10,791, and ultimately closed at $10,735, showcasing a clear upward trend. Now, consider September 3, 2020. Bitcoin opened at $10,531, but selling pressure emerged, pushing the price down to a close of $10,237. This bearish candle paints a picture of a market dominated by sellers. In the upcoming modules, we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of candlestick patterns. You'll learn to recognize these visual cues, interpret their significance, and ultimately, make more informed trading decisions.